Science is mankind's greatest collective endeavor. Science brings humanity together like nothing else, working relentlessly to create solutions for the shape-shifting, complex problems of our everyday life. Science has the power to heal, educate, and transform lives. This is why at Jenburkt Pharmaceuticals Ltd, when our elders had the genuine desire to serve our nation 30 years ago, we unanimously chose science and healing to nurture a reliable future for humankind. And so, since our inception, we have strived hard to innovate undeviatingly to achieve trust and excellence. From our humble beginnings with 5 employees in 1984, Jenburkt today is an 850-plus members strong, professionally managed organization that manufactures and markets high-quality pharmaceutical formulations both in India and overseas. We have the privilege of generating over 11 million prescriptions across multiple therapeutic areas. The core of who we are at Jenburkt and what we stand for is rooted in the story of our group founder and esteemed elder of the Bhuta family, Shri Nandlal Mulji Bhuta. When he turned 16, with just Rs 600 in his pocket and no references, Mr. Bhuta left for Hamburg, Germany, in search of better prospects for the family. Through sheer determination, he soon became proficient in the German language and had a practical education in the fundamentals of running a professionally managed business. In 1926, he returned to Mumbai and made it his life's mission to pay forward the blessings that destiny had bestowed upon him. He established M. Bhuta and Company, a trading organization that flourished in his wise hands. In the late 1940s, he established the Maniben Mulji Bhuta Charitable Clinic, a first in the history of Sihor, a clinic headed by a young MBBS doctor. The doctor went on to take care of the village for the next 50 years. The people raised him to the status of a saint, making the Bhuta family a well-respected name. This episode cemented the Bhuta family's foundations in the healing and transformational power of science and medicine. It fostered genuine commitment to healthcare, the ultimate form of service to a nation. This is why the generation after Shri Nandlal Bhuta ventured into the world of pharma. Mr. Hemendra Nandlal Bhuta and Mr. Uttam Nandlal Bhuta founded Jenburkt Pharmaceuticals Ltd in 1985. When our nation was battling the COVID-19 pandemic, Jenburkt became the second in India to introduce Favipiravir, brand name Favivent, for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms at a very modest price of Rs 39 only. This garnered an outpouring of support and recognition from the nation's people and its media. With over 850 committed team members across pan-India functions, we now help and bring hope to millions of patients worldwide via our 85 brands. We chose to lead with a strong focus on innovation. We began investing in new product development and creating branded pharmaceutical formulations. In 1994, less than 10 years since its founding, the company was listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Jenburkt has nurtured a truly global presence with international exports to several countries today. Presently, we have over 1,000 stockists whose reach extends to more than 400,000 pharmacies across the globe. What made this possible was our focus on 5 specific areas. Manufacturing. We set up our very own state-of-the-art manufacturing plant at Sihor, Gujarat in 1995. Designed intentionally to support lean productivity, unidirectional flow of resources, and multiple inbuilt process checks, we ensure zero scope for cross-contamination. With sophisticated equipment and a spacious operational area, we manufacture world-class healthcare products that conform to the latest global regulatory guidelines. quality control and quality assurance. Jenburkt inherently nurtures a quality-focused culture. The safety, efficacy, and reliability of our products are our highest priority. We maintain this consistent standard of safety with the help of our modern quality control laboratory, backed by high-tech and system-driven processes. Innovation offers people hope in the darkest of times. Our focus has been on rigorous scientific innovation to deliver breakthrough solutions and help millions of people around the world. Our sophisticated R&D unit at Sihor, approved by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, pushes the boundary of science to deliver revolutionary medicine. Over the years, Jenburkt has grown from strength to strength, becoming the first in the world to bring many formulations to market. Marketing. We believe that the quality of our product speaks for itself. Over time, some of our products have become household names, thanks to the unwavering belief of prescribers, pharmacists, and consumers in the Jenburkt quality difference. Credit for which goes to our ingenious marketing department. With a committed team of more than 700 medical representatives and managers across India, we ethically promote our 85-plus brands across 400,000 pharmacies and 100,000 doctors, both in India and globally. Very simply, our people are our heartbeat. The Jenburkt family is a pool of highly talented and motivated personnel, the heart of our success. We take pride in what we do because we know our work can have an extraordinary impact on people's lives. We are committed to creating a work environment where individuals learn, thrive, and contribute proactively to serve the nation. At Jenburkt, we think of philanthropy as a unique instrument of social transformation that helps citizens become healthier and more resilient. The impact of our foundations is far-reaching, helping thousands of people across the country annually. We are committed to supporting charitable causes and building sustainable organizations. At Jenburkt, our decisions are guided by what's best for our patients. We recently launched a new division, Jenburkt Wellness, where we aim to introduce a portfolio of consumer wellness brands that blend the best of science and nature. We strive to deliver products that are safe, effective, and help people live life at their healthiest. We continue working on medical advancements and expanding our reach to make medicine as accessible as possible in terms of price and reach.